Hi students, I'm Prakash, Chartered Accountant and Academic Advisor of Masterminds. Today I'm extremely happy to introduce one of our faculty team members for CA Final, Mr. A.N. Sridhar sir from Mumbai. So we are proud to associate with him, and I still remember when I used to study my CA Final, I used to follow his author textbook, and even now, even today also, his author book is extremely popular in the market among the students. So we are proud that he is going to take up classes for our CA final students. And as all of you know, we offer CA final coaching in three different modes. One is complete physical batch, where classes will be conducted physically. SAR will be coming to Guntur and attending the classes physically. And another one is COB, that is complete online batch. Here, whatever the class is being conducted in physical mode, the same is being telecasted to the students in live mode, and students can even ask doubts. In the classroom itself, students can even ask doubts. That is one unique feature of our online sessions. And the third mode is just like any other organization's video classes mode. That means we'll be just providing the video lectures. If at all students have any doubts, they can ask that, they can clarify those doubts through our Telegram channel. Now, sir, welcome to Mastermind, sir.
Thank you.
Sir, what are the latest trends in the examination for SFM? Because I have even observed that some of the students are really struggling hard with respect to this subject. So, what are the recent examination trends, sir?
Now, if we see strategic financial management as a subject, this was introduced in November 2008.
Sir.
After that, a major change happened when the syllabus got a big makeover and introducing a lot of new syllabus like alternate investment, startups, venture capital, and so many new topics were introduced. This started from May 2018. So I can say the modern students who are writing the examinations under new syllabus, they are following syllabus devised or framed in May 2018. Now, if you see the papers that were held from May 2018 till date, that is till yesterday. Yesterday was the paper, December 2021 SFM paper was held. If you see the trend that is coming from May 2018 till that is December 2021, we can see that the syllabus is absolutely new. The paper trend was erratic, especially during the pandemic, November 2020 and January 2021. But I have seen that otherwise, the institute is strictly following whatever they have said in the syllabus and what proportion of marks they are going to ask. Now coming to your important statement that students are struggling, the main reason being, a lot of topics are new. They are practically oriented, where students are required to know the concept to the core. They have to link the concept with the practical world. They must know how to apply the concepts while solving problems. And they are all quite modern. So if the student is using that mugging up approach or by-hearting techniques, they will definitely struggle. But whatever we are adopted in our classrooms, that is teaching the students the absolute core concept and teaching them all the practical aspects around a particular topic, then they can score very well. In fact, the students who learned under me in Masterminds, I'm sure many of them would have found yesterday's paper fairly easy, because we have touched upon so many important concepts and the problems, and all of them came in the yesterday's exam. Now, this trend I have observed after January 2021. Now that only 2 papers were erratic. Otherwise, even those erratic papers, many of our students pass because we actually harp on the concepts. We believe that only by mastering concepts, this subject can be conquered.
So I still remember, sir, we are teaching SFM for highest number of hours, approximately around 230 hours. We are teaching SFM. So that itself shows that conceptual clarity is being given lot of importance in our organization. Sir, we are offering this coaching in three different modes, sir. So what is your opinion on that? Will it be
Yeah,
useful to the students?
yeah. See, now we have entered a new era, that is a post-pandemic
Yes,
era.
yes, yes,
Now, prior to pandemic, most of the students were going to the classroom, and most of them preferred physical coaching,
yes,
where they could actually they could go to the classroom. They followed a particular discipline of learning. They were forced to follow certain rules and regulations, and they were automatically disciplined to learn a particular paper.
even they
Post
need to stick to the timetable. They need to stick to
timetable.
the timetable. They cannot skip the classes.
Absolutely.
Yeah,
And they were monitored by our very popular weekend examinations and
yes,
our lot of other rules which we have kept for students. And that automatically helped them, unknowingly, maybe for some of them, to help them to clear. But post pandemic era, what has happened is many of the students are unable to attend the classrooms due to various reasons and problems at their end, and there are a lot of challenges on the medical front which is getting cleared. It will get clear very soon. So
yes.
at this moment, if a particular student want to attend SFM classes, okay, now we are providing these three alternatives. I am telling you, nobody must be providing these three alternatives. One, they can attend the physical classroom. Second, they can attend online, means they can track whatever is happening in the physical classroom,
Yes.
and they can ask questions online. And if they are not able to keep their timetable as per the classroom timetable, they can always see at the end of the day, they can get that video and see. Now what has happened now is these three alternatives are provided students, that they have got all the opportunities to get the required coaching and fulfill their dreams. Now, it's a
Great.
great thing that is happening actually, and we have introduced this with great thinking. We are aware about that, and I'm sure students would actually seize this opportunity. Okay.
Sir, what is your unique style of teaching which makes the students to love you?
Now, I remember from the very first
Yeah, I am very
time.
much aware, sir. I'm just asking this for the sake of students.
Yeah, I understand. I remember whenever I used to teach, if I actually take finance as a subject, I have already said this cannot be conquered by by hurting the formulae or doing many problems. Suppose a student says I have done 1,000 problems, but without understanding the concept.
Concepts. Yeah.
Okay, without understanding the concept, it's of no use. So we have to drill the concept. Now, I have worked in the finance industry for more than 3 decades. I have interacted with students for more than 2 decades via CA final coaching of finance. I have interacted with students for more than 2 decades through my authored textbook, which is now running, actually, if you count, more than 33rd or 34th edition, actually. And I have interacted with the managements of so many companies, okay, where as a fund manager. Now, all these things, this practical aspect around the subject, the practical approach of how to help the students where they lack and what support they require, okay, that has helped me to connect with the students by teaching them the required concepts. So if we take a chapter of derivatives, which is one of the toughest paper or topic in SFM, which has got linkages with every market, money market, forex market, bond market, everywhere we have derivatives in the CFL syllabus. So I spend a lot of time in grilling the concepts and teaching the students the required concepts, because I know that when they understand the concept, then I don't require to teach them further. The reason is, when I take the problem, they solve the problem on their own. I just, they solve the problem, I monitor and guide wherever required. So you can see the problems which are looking tougher, which were unable to be solved, The students are solving themselves. And that is possible only because I teach the concept. I give a lot of practical example from my work experience. Okay, I am able to make the topic enjoyable, by giving real life examples. What is happening around us? By reading newspaper, I tell them today's newspaper carried this, and this is the topic we are studying. So I make it make they make I make it interesting for the subject. So at the end, most of the students say, we start loving finance in group one. We like finance the most. I'm able to win over so many students. Those who are hating finance, they started loving finance. The reason is they started understanding the concept of finance. So the real secret is, make them understand the concept of finance. So that is a mantra we follow at Masterminds, and that's what I've been doing, all along last 2 decades.
So from the past 20 years, you have been teaching SFM. Is it right,
Yeah,
sir?
yeah.
Great. So, sir, what is special about your author textbook? Can you tell us the highlights of the book that you are following and which you are going to teach to our students in the classroom?
See, I see the authored textbook which is published in the market, which is a kind of a hit with students, is exhaustive, contains all the problems, concepts, theory, everything. And I'm proud to say that if any student has sincerely done or solved the problems after reading the concepts in the author textbook, okay, they do very well. Now students who are coming to the class, so I'm giving them a tailor-made textbook. That is our mastermind material. So the tailor-made material is an extract of the author textbook. Okay. And the biggest advantage for students who are coming to our classes is whatever I teach is printed in that book. And they are learning, they are listening to me, they are learning from me, they are able to see that same material in the book, and they are solving the problems, most of them, and I make them write the concepts in their notebooks. So without the author textbook, with only our material, where we have all the theory, concept, problem, everything is there. Only with our material, I repeat the word, only with our material and our classroom coaching, okay, they can easily score 70 marks minimum. I'm telling minimum. I'm not talking about 50 and all. 70 marks. So many students have realized their dreams, but for that, the discipline is required. So that I find, in your COB, which you have introduced this time. So through COB, suppose somebody is not able to come to the physical classroom, so through COB, they will track me, they will follow the lecture, they will complete their studies by the time I complete the course.
Yes.
So it's a big advantage actually. And if they follow whatever I am telling in the class, it is absolutely enough. And by God's grace, I can say last 20 years, the strike rate has been more than 90%. Means if they have learned everything from me and they have studied whatever I said, they would have been able to attempt more than 90 marks in any paper right from November 2008 till December 2021. So you can see if the strike rate is more than 90%, then scoring 70 is not a problem at all. So they should be willing to listen to me. They should be having faith. That is very important. And they should follow whatever I am telling them in the class. And that will take them across, and they will be able to, one paper can actually take care of the remaining 3 papers of group 1. And so many of my students have scored 77, 78. The remaining papers, they were able to barely secure around 45, 50. Still, they could clear group 1. So that is the advantage of this finance. Learn properly, score well. That is a mantra.
Yeah. Sir, compared to any other organization offering CA final coaching, one unique feature being followed by us is we even conduct weekend exams on every Sunday.
Absolutely.
So, what's your opinion? Will it be useful, really useful to the students?
Yeah, actually, sir, I will put it this way. Suppose a student is taking admission in Masterminds to do a particular course. I'm assuming, number one, I'm assuming that they are sincere. They are willing to put that hard work, and they are willing to follow the discipline. If all these three things are really there, then our weekend examination will keep them on their toes to test themselves every weekend of whatever we are doing in the class. Now, this will actually keep them focused because modern day distractions are many. Students
Yes.
get distracted easily. But if I am going to tell them that every weekend you are going to have an exam, then they have very less time to get distracted. So, as a result, we are actually inculcating the discipline in them, and we are, in fact, helping them in realizing their goal. And
Yes.
I'm sure if they are sincere, willing to put hard work, and willing to be disciplined, those students are definitely going to pass. There is nobody going to stop. I always feel that in one attempt, the student's plan may go here and there, but in the next attempt, usually they clear. Usually, it's a very big exam. It's a professional exam. It's not an ordinary exam. Okay, so it requires sometimes some plans, fail. The judgment of time required for the 8 papers. So sometimes they go haywire. So what I'm trying to say, we are helping them in following that so that they're able to clear, immediately by following whatever we are telling in the class. So these weekend exams are helping them to be abreast with the latest. Number one, they're actually there. It forces them to give the exam, study properly every week. So there is a regularity actually. So they will not get distracted at all. They
Yes.
would be
Yes.
able to complete their schedule on time.
Thank you, sir. Thanks for sparing your valuable time and clearing the doubts of all our students. And we have even uploaded a sample video of your class in our YouTube channel so that if at all students want to check how your style of teaching will be, then they can even do that. Thank you once again, sir.
Okay,
Bye.
okay. Thank you very much.
Okay, sir. It went on well, sir. So I have covered all the points, sir. Thanks a lot, sir. Thanks for sparing your time.
Okay, okay, bye.
Bye, sir.